How to show dreams on screen using visual techniques. It's often not easy to show dreams on screen because the first ideas that come to mind are usually complex, like using CGI and complicated effects. But I like simple and effective solutions, which are often seen in independent films. Today, let's revisit my previous experimental project, One Night, to discuss an idea I used there. Here's a quick background. A guy leaves his girlfriend, and she keeps thinking about him, remembering the good times they had together. She doesn't want to let go of those memories. So through her dreams, she enters a mirror world where they're together again. Let's take a look at this scene. My idea was to show the girl falling asleep on a mirror, then transitioning to her lying on a bed, where the guy returns to her. Instead of complex visual effects, I used the mirror as a symbolic portal to her subconscious, where their relationship was at its best. I've always liked shots with mirrors because they create a unique perspective and interesting reflections. When I was working on this project, I thought it would be a great way to transition between the different emotional states of the girl. So I asked the actress to lie down on a mirror, which I placed in a small hallway with completely white walls. With the overhead light on, the shot looked flat and not cinematic at all, so I turned off all the overhead lights. For the key light on the actress, I used a SmallRig RM120 at 2700K with a diffuser. And to soften it even more, I bounced it off the wall. For the background lighting, I used a SmallRig RC 30B at 5600K with a deep blue gel filter. Throughout the entire scene, I kept the contrast between the warm and cool colors to maintain a consistent style and the right mood for the episode. The final scene is called Dreamscape. I wanted to show how a girl dreams of her boyfriend's return. I deliberately moved away from the usual blue-yellow lighting to purple-yellow to emphasize that this is something different, unfamiliar to both the heroine and to us, the viewers. I used some great lights from SmallRig, RC30B, RC60B, RM120, and a smoke machine. The key light was set at 2700K and reflected off a white wall beside the actress. And it also lights from above, diffused by a softbox. I used the RM120 with a purple tint. In filmmaking, it's not always about having the most expensive gear or the biggest team. Sometimes, the most powerful stories come from simple, creative ideas that push boundaries in unique ways. So don't be afraid to experiment and use whatever tools you have to bring your vision to life. Remember, great films are made by those who dare to dream and those who find creative solutions to make those dreams a reality. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep telling your story.